Okay, restarting procedure. The key needs to be touched with the touch the start button. Okay, they're ready, and the engine started. So yeah, good progress after more than a month car sitting. We've got it running now. Obviously there are some lights on the engine management, which we need to scan and then get clear and take car in the road test. We got this hybrid running again by charging the high voltage battery. Common occurrence, it happens, those systems, if the battery sits for longer or there is an issue in the engine, it can be depleted, and this will render an engine being unable to be started. As I mentioned earlier, this battery is the one that it's also turning over the engine to fire up. Thanks for watching.